Unplug the power. To create working space, remove the shelves or any other obstacle. Find out where the cover is clipped by gently placing a scoop between the cabinet and a light cover. It is advised to purchase a light cover together with a new light strip, as it may be difficult to remove the cover without breaking it. When you unhook the LED strip, be careful not to break the clips. Use a dental tool or similar. To reach the connector, gently pull it out. Unplug the connector. Plug in the connector and hook the LED strip. Put back the cover.